Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my very first Halloween haul of 2019. This isn't everything I've bought. I'm going to leave some for a different video, and there's not going to be any clothing or beauty stuff in this one either because I'm going to do separate videos for them. But I'm just going to get started because I've got so much stuff. I don't want to be here all night. So the first thing I'm going to show you is a couple of candles. I've probably bought about 14 candles, so I'm not going to show them all in this video. But the very first one I have is this one. It says haunted, a place that is inhabited by spirits and or ghosts. Doesn't smell amazing. It smells okay, but like I just bought it for the packaging more than anything. Thought it was cute, so this was $5.99 from TK Maxx. The next one is this one, which is vanilla marshmallow. I don't even know if this is really supposed to be a Halloween themed candle, but to me that looked like a little skull. This was $2.99. This one smells amazing. Definitely one of my favourite ones that I've bought. Then we have pumpkin spice latte. Has a cute little latte design on the top. Again, this one was $2.99. Doesn't really smell of pumpkin at all to me, just generally smells of coffee and lattes. But it is really nice though, so that's the third one. Then we have this one. This one is called Dark Oud, or Oud, I'm not sure how you say it. I just bought this again because of how it looked. I really liked it as like the design on it. I liked the little sun and moon. Yeah, it doesn't smell great. It smells kind of like trees. But yeah, that is the fourth candle I got. Then next I'll show you something that's not a candle. So I got these tea towels. They are fluffy and they say boo and haunt and spooky and stuff like that on them, and they're very fluffy. I didn't really buy these to be tea towels. I bought them more to be kind of like hand towel kind of things, like normal body towels, because they're fluffy. These were $4.99 from TK Maxx, and there is 2 of them in here. Then next I bought these little bags from Home Bargains. These are just silly little tote bags really. So there's this one that is a Frankenstein, this one which is a pumpkin, and this one which is like a vampire. And these, I think, I can't really remember, but I'm pretty sure they were like 50 or 60p, something like that. Just going to keep them in my car so if I go shopping I can take them and use them as bags. And I also got this one as well. I think I prefer this one. This one was from the pound shop and it's a lot thicker material. Just says trick or treat on it. Obviously I think this is supposed to be for trick or treating, to like carry around and put your treats in, but I'm just going to use it as a shopping bag, so there is that. Next, another thing I got from the pound shop is this little gummy bat, but I made the mistake of leaving him in my car, so he melted. He was absolutely adorable. The middle was black and the wings were orange. He's blackcurrant and orange flavoured, but like I said, he is now liquidy because it's absolutely boiling hot here today, so hopefully he like solidifies, but I definitely ruined him. He was a lot cuter before. Next I have a little sign which says trick or treat with skulls on the top. This was $5.99. Not really sure what I'm going to do with this, probably just hang it on my wall or something, but I just thought it was really cute, so there is that. Then next I got this from the Disney shop. This is a Hocus Pocus mug. It says it's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. It's a really iridescent rainbow. I'm not sure why that's not really showing up on camera. But this was quite expensive. This was $15.95. It does have a little spoon with it that like looks like a broom. But honestly, after I bought it, I'm not sure why I bought it, because I've got so many cups and I don't love it, so I might end up selling it. I don't know. But yeah, that's the only cup I've bought this Halloween, which is amazing for me because I have an obsession with cups. So next I went to Build-A-Bear, and well, actually no, I went on the Build-A-Bear website because this is a web exclusive, and I got this little spider who is probably my favourite thing I've bought this Halloween so far. He is so cute, has little stripy black and orange legs, has a little tuft on his head up here. Absolutely adorable, so soft and fluffy. I actually bought him the pumpkin outfit to like dress them up in, because on the website that's what he's wearing, but it's like rough material and it doesn't fit him well because he's got 8 legs. They didn't point that out, did they? So I've taken that off him, but he's the first thing I got from Build-A-Bear. And then I went into the Build-A-Bear shop and I picked up this little ghosty guy. He's like a mini one. I think he was like £11 with the Boo t-shirt. I'll probably put him in my car or something, but I just thought that he was really cute, so I had to get him. Then next, not really a Halloween item, but I bought it recently and it kind of is horror films, so I got Blu-ray trilogy of Scream. This was only £6 on Amazon, which I thought was a really good deal. Scream is one of those films that I watched when I was younger, like one of my favourite teen horror films, so because it was so cheap I just thought I would get the little box set. I might watch one of these later. Next I got this bottle. So this is like a glass drinking bottle. It's not showing up great because of the lighting, but it's got cobwebs on it and a little string on the top so you can hold it. It just unscrews. This was $7.99 I think, and I searched absolutely everywhere for this. There's also one of these with bats on that I really want and I can't find anywhere, so if anyone wants to find that for me and send it, that would be amazing. I'm just saying. But yeah, cobweb one's cute enough. I don't really need all of them, I suppose. That is that. And speaking of bat things that you drink from, I have this bat bottle. Again, that last one and this one have been from TK Maxx. It's one of those like insulated bottles, so it keeps hot stuff hot, cold stuff cold. I absolutely love these. They work amazingly in summertime. If you put ice in, the ice will literally last like most of the day. It's incredible. So when I saw this, I absolutely had to have it because I love bats. So this was $7.99 as well. Then next is a super random item, probably the stupidest thing I've bought, and that is a skeleton duck. He was £1 from the pound shop. I just thought it was really cute and I got it. I don't really know why, but he's cute though. And the little label has like a witch and a vampire duck as well, and I've not seen those, but if I see those I'm gonna buy those too because they're just cute. So he was £1. Then we have another candle. So this one is Trick or Treat Pumpkin Spice. Has a little pumpkin on the top. Smells quite good, very cinnamony though. This was $2.99 as well, like the other minis. Pretty much all of this has been from TK Maxx or Homesense. They're like the same shop here really. And if you're in America, TK Maxx is TJ Maxx and Homesense is Home Goods, just so you know. But yeah, that is the next candle. Then I got this plate, which is very dusty right now. Again, don't know why I bought this, but I just thought it was so pretty. It's like a really delicate glass plate with Ouija board print on it. It kind of curves up at the edges, so I've had to be really careful with this not to chip it on anything. This was $6.99, and hopefully I'm going to be buying a house next year. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So I kind of keep buying things thinking, oh, that can go in my house, but really I don't know where I'm putting this right now. But it's cute though, so that is the next thing that I got. Then we have this, which is a little candle holder ghosty. He was from TK Maxx as well. Came with this little like LED light. Obviously it doesn't show up great here because I have my filming light on, but in the dark he looks really cute though. And this was $3.99 as well. Next I got this tin from TK Maxx. It's like a black, kind of a little bit blue though, with cobwebs on it. Again, it's not showing up great on camera, so I'm having to kind of shine it in the light, but has cobwebs all over it. This was $5.99. And at the minute it is filled with Halloween sweets that I've bought, so I might as well show you those while we're here. So for anyone that doesn't know, the UK doesn't do candy corn, and I absolutely love candy corn. I know a lot of Americans hate it, but I love it. So I've had to buy this, like get it shipped from websites and stuff because we don't have it here. I got these autumn mix ones. I don't like the chocolate ones in this though, but the rest are really nice. I got these normal candy corns. I got these Sour Bright candy corns. These are absolutely amazing. I love them. There's like a grape flavored one in here and they are so good. I got these like fizzy candy corns. I got 2 bags of these caramel candy corns. These are one of my favorite sweets in the entire world. If you don't like these, I don't understand. These are amazing. I got some Haribo Scare Mix, which I've pretty much nearly eaten, but they're like just weird coloured Haribos. And I got this spooky mix from B&M Bargains, which is like jelly snakes and eyeballs, and there is actually a candy corn in there as well, but teeth and stuff. I've eaten most of those as well. Then there is 3 more things that I'm going to show in this video, and then I'm going to leave the rest till my next Halloween haul. So the next one is another candle. This one is pumpkin marshmallow. It's a big 3-wick candle, $7.99. I have already burned this and it does smell really, really good. So there is that. Then we have this, which is probably the most random thing I've bought apart from the duck. It's like a duster, like a cleaning duster that's got a skull with gem eyes. No idea why I bought this. Sometimes I just walk in places and if they have Halloween stuff I'll just buy it without even thinking why I'm buying it. I think this was $3.99 or $2.99. But I'll use it to dust my room, I guess, so there is that. And then the last thing I have, which is the newest thing I have, I bought this last night, is this adorable blanket from TK Maxx. It has little ghosts on it. It's absolutely huge and it's so thick and heavy. It was $19.99. It's kind of like a throw, but I absolutely love this and I had to have it, so this is the last thing that I'm gonna show in this video. So yeah, I hope you liked it anyway, and I hope that my first Halloween video didn't disappoint. Obviously I didn't tell the prices of everything because I don't really remember, but if you really need to know and want to know, then leave a comment and I will do my best to tell you where it was from, how much it was, stuff like that. Like I said, 99% of this stuff was from TK Maxx and Homesense. The Pound Shop duck, the Blu-rays from Amazon, and the Build-A-Bears I think were the only things that weren't from TK Maxx. So yeah, I hope you liked this video anyway, and if you did, please subscribe. Like I said, I will have plenty more coming soon. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.